What technology has helped you control productivity issues during COVID-19? Well, you know, during this time of COVID-19, it's really upset everything. You know, business is not as usual, and you know, we have to start thinking outside the box on how we can maybe handle some of the productivity issues that we may be having, and how we're going to have meetings and different things like that. So that's what this question is all about. You know, what technology has helped you control productivity issues during COVID-19? So some of these are, you know, collaborative technology. You know, so have you been using Zoom, GoToMeeting? How about free conference calling? You know, so those are probably the top three that really have got a tremendous lot of use in the past months. You know, we've been using Zoom and GoToMeeting and free conference calling for years, and we also noticed that because of COVID-19 that there's been times when there's been issues with using those platforms, and it's just because of the amount of traffic that's coming there. But if that's one of your technologies you're using, let me know in the comment box down below. Now, another one that is often used is online technology. So what are you using there? Now, something that's really common today is that, you know, I keep on talking about automation, you know, and automating whenever you possibly can. So one of the things that I see that's really taken a big jump is virtual onboarding. So your virtual onboarding is where you can hire an applicant. You went through the hiring process and you offered the position to an applicant, and the applicant accepts, and then you virtually onboard them. So the applicant will actually go to a site. It could be your payroll site, or your you know, your HR site, or whatever it may be. But what they'll do is they'll go there and they'll complete all their documentation virtually online. So, and typically what you'll see is that they'll have the documents in I-9, W-4, and all the standard documents there. They'll read them, and then they'll go ahead and they'll go ahead and use Docusign in some cases to go ahead and sign the document. But that's really on the rise, and if you're not using that now, I highly advise you to take a look at it. There's a number of different companies out there that provide that service, so take a look at it. Whenever you can automate anything in your business, you want to do that. Now, another one that is on the rise is learning management systems. Now, you know, those are there's a lot of them out there. For the cleaning industry, you know, there's a few out there. You know, and obviously I believe that we've got the best. You know, we've got CleanSmart University, and we got CSU Business Library, and you know, so I guess I'm partial to that. But you know, the learning management system is where you can go and get training. And it can be all types of different training. It could be for cleaning, it could be for personal development, it could be on business. It just goes on and on. In fact, you know, for our LMS, CleanSmart University, we have that made. That is just for cleaning related training videos. That's what CleanSmart University is. But then when you go over to CSU Business Library, that library there is a big library. We've got over 8,000 training videos there. And it covers all types of different topics for a person that wants to do any personal development, wants to do leadership training, management training. You know, and our topics go on and on. We got HR and employees, and just a wealth of topics over there. But which of these are you using? Are you using any of the three that I mentioned? You know, the collaboration technology, the onboard technology, or online technology, and learning management system, or is there some other type of technology that you're using that helped you control productivity issues during COVID-19? I sure would like to hear from you, so go ahead and, you know, make a comment down below and let us know what it is that you did to get a handle on that. I'm Steve Hansen, co-founder of the 𝗟𝗘𝗢𝗓.com and myhousecleaningbiz.com. Thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.